What is good, YouTube? Sorry about the lighting right now. Anyways, it's so good to see you again. Today, I wanted to react to something a little bit more serious. By now, you guys probably heard about all the earthquakes that happened in California. Out of respect of the families and their homes, I am not going to be adding trolley sound effects or cracking jokes. So, let's go.
Holy fuck! Oh shit! Holy fuck! Fuck. There's an earthquake and I'm on the 17th floor. Look at this shit. Yo. Oh.
Is that an earthquake?
Is that an earthquake? That's an earthquake!
No, this is the safest place.
That's an holy crap!
Wow.
Yeah!
Holy fuck. Do I hold this or do I run out of the house? Holy fuck! Oh, look at the chairs moving! Stop! Hey, stop now. Straight out, watch out. Come over here.
You like cheating?
Come over here. Yeah, I'm recording it.
Everybody good?
What?
The thing almost went down. I was holding on.
You're okay.
The TV went off.
Just go outside,
Oh, look at that. Here,
Get under the table. Get under the table. Shit! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was a bad
Oh
one.
shit.
This is so bad.
Oh, the front door came open. That's okay. It's okay. Just hold on. Hold on. Oh my god. This is bad, Brian. Oh. Oh my god. Oh.
Got it on camera. Ready? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Everyone, just stay calm if you will, please. We'll aftershock here with that earthquake's in the area.
Folks, we're experiencing an earthquake right now.
Whoa, yes we are.
Can you feel the earth below you?
Yes, I can.
Here at Thomas and Mack.
Yes, I can.
The building is
shaking.
swaying just a little bit. There was a 6.6 measured earthquake
And
in
they're going to stop the
California
game here, Mark, right?
just yesterday. And we can feel tremors here.
Well,
I don't know what to do.
Probably get down. It's just an aftershock. Yo.
Attention, space travelers. All flights have been put in a holding pattern. Travelers in rockets.
Alright, that was me reacting to earthquakes. If you like the content that I'm currently creating, then feel free to subscribe to my channel or like the video. And don't forget to ring that bell. Until then, see you guys next time.